What's up people, RETROCENGO here with another world premiere video of the Super Hoops. I'm just gonna show this little unboxing clip, world premiere. I think it's the first one they have shipped out. The game looks pretty well built under the playfield. You will see it in a second, guys. It's pretty simple made. It's filled with stand-up targets, a lot of lights everywhere. It's made to last. And the best part, the playfield has got this thick layer of plastic protector, just like on the belly game called Electra from 81, I think it was. But it's a nice protector on top of the playfield, so you don't need to install playfield protector or worry about the dimples or wear. No, nothing. It's well done. The screen comes out. This game is just so cheap. It's incredible. It costs 6,700 euros, just over $5,000. Super Hoop unboxing video, world premiere, RETROCENGO. Subscribe because we're gonna unbox the Alien Limited Edition really soon, guys. So I hope you will enjoy this and the upcoming video. Have a great day out there. Yeah. Bye.